guys, I'm here. Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome to JVLOGS.
What'd you just say?
Welcome to JVLOGs.
Ginger and jelly bean?
Gingerbread and jelly bean.
What the hell is that?
That's what I call them. That's what I call my subscribers. Because, gingerbread is like made with ginger, right? So it's kind of bitter. It's kind of harsh when you...
Gingerbread is sweet. What are you talking about?
No, man, like... In Jamaica, we have like bulla that's made of ginger. One of the ingredients is ginger. You know, ginger is a herb.
No, yeah, I know ginger is.
Yeah, so it's bitter. Even when you chew it, you know, it kind of burns your throat. Like when you make it in the tea.
I don't think ginger's bitter. You know, I know what you're saying.
It's bitter.
I know what you're saying, but I don't think it would be considered bitter.
Are you ever chew it before? Like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not bitter. Like make your throat like, you know. Because we make it tea. We make tea with it. With the ginger itself.
Right.
We put it in a pot. We boil it.
Right. And
we even cook it with the chicken and stuff like that. You know, we eat it.
Yeah, my parents cook with a lot of ginger.
Yeah. So you know, so it's not really bitter, but it's a spice. It's spicy. You know, not like pepper, but you know, it has a little nice flavor to it. So it's from that concept. The reason why I call them gingerbread. You know, just so it's all right. And then jelly bean is the females.
Okay.
Yeah. But when I was thinking about jelly bean, I was thinking about gummy bear. You know, gummy bears soft, females are soft. so that's where I get the concept from. So that's how I call them. But a lot of them like it, you know, a lot of them like it on the channel. You know.
How many viewers do you have?
I have subscribers, I have 370.
Oh, okay.
So 370, you know, people or more watch this. Oh yeah, so this is Isaac, my friend from tennis. You know, he's single, he's looking for a nice wife. You know.
How do you even know people live in Florida?
Of course they can. Even if they don't, they'll find you.
First of all, I bet you majority of your viewers are not even in our age bracket.
Yeah, they are. Wait.
You needed to put out a survey. You need to put out a survey.
No, it's there. It's actually there on YouTube. You can actually look at the demographic and you see the age group. But I think it's split. Like 20% is between 18 to probably 30, and then next set is between 30 to 40, and it goes up. But a lot of my viewers are older folks in their 35 going to 40, and I even have some 65-year-old too. I was like, whoa. And it's even with men and women, you know, so both men and women watch my vlogs in their age 20 region range. So it's even now.
All I gotta say is I don't need any help here.
Ladies, listen to me. I want you guys to come in the comment and, you know, have a field day, you know. Drop some questions and, you know, I'll put Isaac number in the description and
you
link.
You are doing absolutely none of that, Mark. You're not putting anyone's number in that description. This is not happening.
So ladies, you know, 6-digit, you know, income per month. Per month.
Mark, you're not speaking a real person here.
Don't crash when we're driving, cause ooh. But yeah, you know, ladies, so if you're interested in a nice Asian guy, you know, Isaac is here. You guys can, you know, link me up and, you know, I'll pass on the message. You know, you have to be nice though. You have to be a nice, you know, sweet young lady, right, Isaac? Nice and caring and kind.
And it's something that's not happening. It doesn't really matter. Plus, I'm not
but
that nice of a person.
But what if? You know, it could happen. You know, there's a possibility, right, guys? There's a possibility. You know that, you know, somebody, you know, around the world.
How is this related to tennis? Isn't this a tennis themed vlog?
It just, you know, this is just a regular vlog. So right now we're going to a tennis tournament. It's an ITF Pro Tour in Vero Beach. We're in Fort Pierce right now, so it's very close to where we live. So we're going to, you know, go and support
It's the Marty Fish tournament.
The Marty Fish tournament. I'm going to support my Jamaican friend Randy. He's playing in the tournament qualifier, as well as a few Caribbean players like I think it's Hayden Lewis, Sean Williams, and some other guys from the Caribbean as well. So we're going there to enjoy ourselves, watch some good quality tennis, and just have a good time and vlog about it. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Isaac, you won't tell them, tell the girls, hello or...
Mark, I just want to know, what percentage of the time are you laughing on your vlog?
Most of the time. So catch you guys on the flip side.
People at my high school, but for the Koreans.
Yeah.
When they would sit together, they'd all speak Korean. So you don't speak Korean.
Shoot.
You couldn't understand what they were talking about.
Even if somebody from outside, their culture is there, they don't care?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
They always speak Korean to each other.
No.
So I'm sure like a lot of the Asian communities are like that.
No, wow. Hey guys, so we're talking about culture and stuff like that, and catching up, eating some crackers, Jamaican Excelsior crackers. It's dry, so it's a drinking the water. It's a bit dry. So you have to drink water and juice with the crackers. But yeah, that's your reasoning and thing. Yeah, but that's what I realized. So back there, they keep to themselves. They out and about and they do business and stuff like that. But apart from that, in Jamaica, I've never had Asian friends. In Jamaica.
Really?
Yeah, I've never had Asian friends in Jamaica. It's when I came here, I have Asian friends. I think from Vietnam and Philippines. Wendy, we work together. And we met at the workplace and stuff, and even though the only issue is the language barrier, because most of them they speak their native language and they don't really speak English well. So that was the only language barrier, but they learn the English.
Damn, these are good.
Yeah, they learn the English, so that's that's a plus. Do you remember where the place is, right?
What?
You know where the place is?
Tennis place?
Yeah.
It's somewhere over there. No, I got it. I know where it is.
Okay. Okay, you got it from the website, right?
Huh?
You went to the website and took down the address?
It's a Grand Harbor Tennis Complex. It's on Google. I have it on Google Maps.
Yeah, the terrace. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, but I'm saying I don't know how there is how much traffic is there.
Turn right onto 8th Street.
But I'm saying that I'd open a franchise, just to start with.
What kind of franchise?
Probably a Subway.
There already is a Subway.
There's one there?
I don't see anyone go.
If you open your own business, it's going to take a longer time to, get it up and running and get people to know it and stuff like that. Because I realize people don't really support locally owned businesses anymore. It's all about the Subway or the McDonald's or stuff like that, something easy they can grab. But to set your prices and then they support you, it's going to be a bit of a challenge, So that's how I look at it.
In a half mile, turn right onto 12th Street.
But I'll probably have to, do some more research and look around and check and see what it's like.
You just need the one. The one business venture I know for a fact that is not fully legal in some places because it got so popular, but one of my friends does Airbnb, so he in Montreal, and
Nice.
he used to do apartments, but now he does
Homes?
no, he does groups. So he does 30, 40 people in one group, and they book as a group.
Oh wow!
And then he will sell these 1-2 week packages.
Oh, nice. That's smart.
And he'll make like 100,000 a month, or something like that. He's got 5 people working for him.
Damn, that's good. That's
but
smart.
It's a gray zone thing because the city of Montreal actually does not condone Airbnb.
Sure.
So
So people that actually want to go, like visit there, and they don't want to book hotels or say hotels full, and they can actually find the Airbnb in that area. They normally
because
jump on
people
it.
don't usually offer like 30 beds
Oh yes, yes,
together.
yes.
You'll have
Mhm.
like 2-3 apartments with like 30 beds total,
Mhm.
and they'll be all like right next to each other.
Yeah.
People don't really do that.
Oh, okay. And then you'll do it at like a reduced price, like a good package, so they can like.
I don't know how much what the price is, but I think it's like a couple grand per booking.
For booking. That's smart. That can work.